Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Finance. In this short video, I will show you how to transfer money for free from Binance TR to the main Binance, and I will also be showing you how to transfer money from the main Binance to Binance TR, which is the Turkish Binance. This video is mainly going to be applicable to those of you who are in Turkey or those of you who are able to create a Binance TR account. So the main reason why I'm creating this video, because I personally I am living in Turkey and I've been using both the Binance TR and the main Binance account. And I discovered that many people do it the wrong way when transferring money from Binance TR to the main Binance or from the main Binance to Binance TR. That's the reason why I want to show you how to transfer money for free from Binance TR to the main Binance or the other way around. Step number one, you need to log in both your Binance TR account and your main Binance account. Then after that, you need to link your Binance TR account with your main Binance account, which is very easy to do. So in order to link your Binance account, you just need to come over here, then you need to come under wallet, then you come and press on overview. So inside your wallet, you just need to come over here, you are going to find where it says Binance TR or Binance TR. So you just need to come and press on this one in order to link your Binance TR account with your main Binance account. So I will go ahead and come and press on Binance TR. So in my case, my Binance TR account is already linked with my main Binance account. I've already done the linking of the two accounts. But if you are doing this for the very first time, when you come here under Binance TR, it's going to bring you an option which requires you to link your Binance TR account with your main Binance account, which is very easy to do. You just need to follow easy steps, then you'll be able to link your Binance TR account with your main Binance account. So once you have linked the two accounts, you will then be able to transfer money between the two accounts entirely for free. So to transfer money from Binance TR to the main Binance account, all what you need to do is to come to your Binance TR account, like which is this one, I've already logged in. You need to come over Just Done, then come and press on Bakiyerar. Then over here, you just need to come where it says Binance Transfer, meaning transferring money to the main Binance account. So you just need to come over Binance Transfer and come and press on it. So here you can see that money is being moved from our Just Done to our main Binance account. So all what you need to do is to come under coin and choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from your Binance TR account to your main Binance account. So I will go ahead and come and choose USDT. So since I've got a balance on my USDT, so you can see over here that I've got about 22 USDT. So I just need to come over here and enter the amount I want to transfer. So I will be transferring $10. So once you enter the amount, you just need to come and press on IRA, meaning confirm. So I'll go and press on confirmation. Then you need to request the confirmation codes both from your mobile phone number and your email address. Once you have entered the confirmation codes, you just need to come and press on IRA, meaning confirm. On the confirmation link, you just need to come and press over here. Then you can see that the transfer has been made successfully. So we need to go to the main Binance account to go and check and see if the money has been transferred successfully. So all what you need to do is to come over here. Then here on the main Binance account, you just need to come on the wallet. Then you come and press on Fiat and Spot. So when you come down and take a look, you can see that now I have about 11 USDT. I only add 1 USDT, now I've got 11, meaning that the $10 has been transferred successfully from Binance TR to the main Binance account. Now allow me to show you how to transfer money from the main Binance account to Binance TR, the Turkish Binance account. So all what you need to do, like here in your Binance account, like when you are under wallet, like if you're on the home page, you just need to come over wallet. Then when you are here, you just need to come over here where it says Binance TR or Binance TR. Then you need to come and press on it. Then here, just like what we did in Binance TR, we are going to do the same. So you can see that money is being moved from our spot wallet on Binance to our Turkish Binance account. So all what you need to do is to choose the coin here, the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. So I will go with it, USDT. You can just even search for the coin. So I will go with USDT. Then I'm going to transfer the entire amount. So it's around $11.1. So I just need to come and press on it 100% like it to transfer the whole amount. But before I can confirm, let's go to Binance TR so that you can see the balance. So when you come here under just done, then you press on Bakierar to check the balance. You can see that I only have 12 USDT on my Binance TR account. I only have got $12. So I'm going to be transferring USDT into this account. So I will come back to my Binance account. Then here, you just need to come and press on confirm to transfer $11 to the Binance TR account. So I will press on confirm. Then I need to request the verification codes. So I will just come and press on get code and also get code. You can see that the transfer has been submitted successfully, meaning that money has been sent from our main Binance account to the Turkish Binance account. So we just need to go to Binance TR so that you can confirm. So you just need to come over here. Then you can see like I've got $12 here. So I will refresh. You can see now that I have got now 23 USDT. I've got 23 USDT. Meaning that the money has been transferred successfully from our Binance TR to our main Binance account. So this is how you transfer money between these two accounts completely for free. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.